We want government to do something about this bridge because most time we are the one that save many souls here.
There's a day to container called bridge to container jabo, container jabo.
If government want to do the bridge, it's still important for the lower masses. You understand? Nobody will know what if it happen tomorrow. Anything can happen.
The federal government has officially handed over the construction of the new Qatar Bridge to the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation in Lagos.
CCCC, we hand over the site to you. By the command of this letter, the site now belongs to you.
The massive 545 billion naira Qatar Bridge reconstruction. If you live in Lagos or you have tried crossing from the mainland to the island during rush hour, then you definitely know Qatar Bridge. It is that old, narrow bridge that connects Ido to Lagos Island. For years, it's been the backbone of Lagos traffic and it's been crying for help. Every single day, thousands of cars squish through this bridge. Trucks, danfos, private cars, Okadas, everyone fighting for space on a structure that was built decades ago. The congestion is terrible, the wear and tear even worse. But here is the good news. The federal government has finally stepped in. They have handed over the full reconstruction of Qatar Bridge to CCECC, the China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation. The budget, a massive 545 billion naira. Yes, you heard that right. $500 billion naira to rebuild one of Lagos' most important bridges. Welcome to Femco Property, your home for real estate investment in Nigeria for Nigerians all over the world. In today's video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about the Qatar Bridge reconstruction, what is changing, why it matters, and how this project will reshape the geographic landscape connecting Lagos mainland and Lagos Island. Before we dive into details of this reconstruction, let's talk about why this bridge is so important. Qatar Bridge is one of the 3 major bridges connecting Lagos Island to the mainland. The other 2 are Third Mainland Bridge and Echo Bridge. But here is the thing. Qatar Bridge is the oldest and the shortest of the 3. It connects Ido, Ebutemeta and Oyingbo directly to Lagos Island and Ijoro, Olokpa and Idumota. For traders, civil servants and business owners working on the island, this bridge is a lifeline. It is also a major route for goods moving from the mainland into the commercial heart of Lagos. When Qatar Bridge is closed or under repair, the entire city feels it. Traffic diverts to Echo Bridge and Third Mainland, and those routes becomes a nightmare. So, when the federal government announced the reconstruction with the budget of 545 billion naira and handed the project to CCECC, everyone knew this was a serious business. Now, let's give you the full details on the massive reconstruction project. Since De Umahi took office as the Honorable Minister of Works, he has made it clear that his mission is to fix Nigeria's infrastructure backlog, and Qatar Bridge was high on his list. In early 2024, after years of complaint and partial repairs that never solved the real problem, Minister Umahi and the Federal Ministry of Works officially awarded the contract for the complete reconstruction of Qatar Bridge to CCECC. This is the same Chinese construction giant that has handled major projects across Nigeria, including sections of the Lagos-Ibadan Expressway and the Abuja-Kefi Road. During the handover ceremony, Minister Umahi emphasized that the project was not going to be another abandoned contract. He made it clear CCECC was chosen because of their track record, their capacity, and their ability to deliver on time. The minister personally visited the site multiple times to ensure the project kicked off without delay. CCECC has a reputation of delivering large-scale infrastructure. They have the equipment, the expertise, and the manpower. The federal government didn't just want a quick fix this time. They wanted a total transformation, a bridge that can carry the weight of modern Lagos for the next 50 years. The contract includes full demolition of the old structure, construction of a brand new bridge with expanded lanes, modern drainage system, pedestrian walkway, and street lighting. The goal is simple: turn Qatar Bridge into a world-class gateway that can handle the volume of traffic Lagos throws at it every single day. Construction officially kicked off in the mid-2024, and the project is expected to take between 24 to 30 months. That means by 2026 or early 2027, Lagosians should be driving on a completely new Qatar Bridge. So what exactly is CCECC building under this 545 billion naira contract? First, the old 2-lane bridge is being replaced with a modern 4-lane structure that's double the capacity. Imagine cutting the travel time from Ebutemeta to Lagos Island by half. That's the kind of impact we are talking about. Second, the new bridge will have dedicated pedestrian walkways. Right now, walking across Qatar Bridge is dangerous. People squeeze along the edges while cars and trucks zoom past. The new design puts safety first. Third, there will be proper drainage and flood control system. During rainy season, part of Ijora and Ido gets flooded and it affects traffic flow on the bridge. CCECC is building in flood barrier and modern drainage to handle heavy rainfall. And finally, the bridge will be fully lit with street lights and equipped with CCTV cameras for security. This is not just about moving cars, it is about creating a safe, efficient and modern transport corridor. Now, here is where it gets exciting for property investors. Anytime there is major infrastructure development in Lagos, property values shift. And Qatar Bridge Reconstruction is no different. Let's look at the areas that will benefit the most. Ebutemeta and Yaba. These areas are directly connected to Qatar Bridge. Right now, many investors overlook Ebutemeta because of traffic and access issues. But once this bridge is completed, travel time to the island will drop significantly. Expect rental demand to rise. Expect property prices to climb. Smart investors are already buying land and properties in Ebutemeta before the bridge opens. Ido and Ijora. These are industrial and commercial hubs. With better access, more business will set up. Warehouse rent will go up. Logistic companies will expand. If you are looking to invest in commercial real estate, this is your moment. Lagos Island. Improved access means more people can live on the mainland and work on the island without usual traffic stress. This will ease pressure on the island rent. It will also increase demand of equality housing in well-connected mainland areas. Oyingbo. Oyingbo is already benefiting from the Red Line Rail project. Add the Qatar Bridge reconstruction and you have a transport hub in the making. Property here is still affordable, but not for long. The completion of this bridge will create what we call infrastructure premium. The immediate increase in property value that happens when access improves. If you are not positioned now, you'll be priced out later. Let's be real, a project this big will come with some challenges. For instance, during construction, there will be traffic diversion, some routes will be closed, travel time will increase temporarily. Traders around Ido and Ijora may face disruption as part of their areas are cleared for work. But here is the thing, this is a temporary pain for long-term gain. Minister Umahi has directed CCECC to minimize disruption by working in phases and keeping at least one lane open during critical construction period. The ministry has also set up a public communication channel to keep Lagosians updated on construction progress, road closures, and alternative routes. If you live or work in the area, plan ahead. Use alternative routes like Echo Bridge or Third Mainland during peak construction period. Stay updated through official channels and most importantly, be patient. The end result will be worth it. The Qatar Bridge has carried Lagos on its back for 125 years. It was built before Nigeria existed. It survived colonialism, independence, oil booms, economic crashes, and millions of daily commuters who never gave it a second thought. And now, for the first time in over a century, Lagos is taking the bridge to another dimension. If you found this video valuable, tell us in the comment section on what part of this transformation you are most excited about. Kindly subscribe, like, share, and turn on the notification bell icon to stay updated on our next deep dive in Lagos. See you on the next one. Cheers.